as one of 50/50 joint venture in China, Dongfeng Cummins Engine Company, DCEC, was established in the year of 1996, producing Cummins B, C, D, L, Z series mechanical and electronic engines, covering 3.9 to 13 liters engines with the power from 20 to 600 kilowatts. DCEC engines are widely used in energy, maritime, automotive, construction machinery, water pump set, and railways applications. DCEC generator drive engines power cover from 19 kilowatts to 562 kilowatts. Standard can reach up to EU Stage 3.
Hello everyone, I'm Kevin from SinoGen, part of EMAG. In this video,
I will introduce DCEC 6BTAA5.9-G2 generator drive engine. DCEC 6BTAA5.9-G2 generator drive engine is a 6-cylinder inline engine with 5.9 liters displacement, equipped with BYC pump and electronic governor with water-air intercooler. The rated power is 120 kW at rated speed 1500 RPM. The overall dimensions of our DCEC 6BTAA5.9-G2 generator drive engine is 1095 length, 744 width, 905. The net weight is 411 kg. The emission standard is IMO 1. The standard 6BTAA5.9-G2 generator drive engine comes with following accessories:
fuel pump, fuel supply pump, fuel filter, fuel water separator, turbocharger, starter motor, oil filter, charging alternator.
Based on 6BTAA5.9-G2 generator drive engine, SinoGen provides abundant optional items, mainly including cooling system, engine control panel, air filter, muffler, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, SinoGen also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as oil pan type, fan position, fan type, dipstick position, flywheel and flywheel housing size, etc. We can also provide explosion-proof modification for oil and gas industry customized requirements, and we have capability to satisfy most of customized requirements on our engine and engine power pack. As part of EMAG, SinoGen Power Technology Limited was established in 2013, focusing on diesel generator set manufacturing. Our generator-related products cover open type, silence type, super silence type, mobile chair generator set, and mobile power supply truck, etc. SinoGen generators has been exported to over 50 countries and regions, widely used in factories, mining, shopping mall, resort, power plant, railways and telecom industries. With well-educated, international background, and experienced operation team, SinoGen can easily understand and respond to customer needs, significantly reduce customer communication cost. Our core business philosophy is a promise is a promise, and practice the attitude of be realistic, be innovative.
Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact SinoGen at any time via email, telephone, WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube. More details about our company, products, and services. You are welcome to visit our homepage, sino-gen.com.